And what do you remember about the end of the war?
Well, in 1945, or end of 1945, we decided to go back to Kalisz. And we had a very bad reception.
What do you remember?
Things like, "You're still alive? Hitler didn't finish his job?" And really, it was a matter of life and death. So all we could survive was a few months. And we ran away again. But this time we went to Germany, to a city called Hoff. And we stayed in a DP camp, displaced persons camp. We stayed there for 2 years. And in that camp was mainly Jews. There was a very high fence, wire fence. On one side was us living in the barracks. On the other side of the fence were Americans, American army. And they were so nice to us. They used to, over the fence they used to throw chocolates, and they used to throw oranges and bananas, you name it. And they used to call us, come, and they used to throw all those goodies to us.